Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to optimize your PC for gaming. So if you love playing games and you think your PC doesn't support it really well, it get hangs or you get really destructive, then in this video I'll show you how you can optimize it to play heavy games. So first you have to simply get to your desktop and do a right click and then click onto this option display settings, and display settings will open. Then you have to scroll down until you see the option graphics. Once you find the option, click onto that option. Once you get to this page, you will see this first option, which is for the optimization. You have to make sure this option is turned on. If not, then you can simply click onto that toggle and this option will be turned on. Then you will see this option advanced graphics settings. You have to click onto it, and then you will see this variable refresh rate option. You have to also make this option on. If you want to optimize it for a specific game, you will find all of your games there. You can also use these filters. Once you find the game, click onto it, you will see this option for optimization. Make sure this option is turned on if you want to do it for a specific game. In this GPU preferences option, make sure high performance is selected because it will work more on giving you high performance rather than any other thing. After that, you have to close the window and then we have to search for another option, which is adjust the performance and appearance. You can find this option by searching into that search option, and after once you search for it, you will see the option which is adjust the performance and appearance of Windows. Once you search with a related keyword, you will find that option. Once you find it, you have to simply click onto it. Then here you have to click onto this option adjust the performance and click on apply, and after that it will work on giving you the best performance. Now you have to search for again for power plan. Once you search for it, you will see the option for create power plan. You have to click onto it. This page will open. On the left side you will see the option for create plan. Click onto it, select high performance and click on next. As you click onto this option, then after that you have to simply apply the changes, and once you do it, it will work on giving you the best performance. If you do these options or the settings, then the game will play better and your PC will give you better performance for your games. So I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.